Hindi siya shape. It is a text box. When we say text box, the text box will adjust its size when you adjust the font size or the text size. Yes? Naintindihan niyo ba yung English ko? Yes. Akala ko akala ko English man ako. So yeah, here. This is how you're going to resize your text box. Highlight the text and then resize. Ayan. Resize this one. So here, kaya lalaki yung text box. Pag nag-resize ka ng size, ng font. Nakita nyo? Yes! Nakita nyo ba? So here. Now, next, since marunong na kayo mag-insert ng text box, what we need also here is the design. And I'm going to teach you how to insert picture. Kasi marunong naman na kayo, pero maybe yung others nakalimutan lang talaga. So here, look and listen guys. Ang cursor ko nasaan? Insert. Now, always remember, whatever you put inside your presentation, it is inside insert. Kaya nga siya tinawag na insert. Whatever you put in. So here, I'm going to put picture. Here, I'm going to do this, and then you're going to search on web. Remember?
Yes.
Yung basic module 2A. So here, what I want since it's already Christmas, is I'm going to search for Christmas card. Guys, remember this one. I know teacher already and mom teach you this one. If you see there's a tick mark in here, make sure to check this box so that it will give you more choices. But I advise you, do not waste your time for choosing a teacher. Why? We still need to input animation and transition. So here, I just want a simple design for my background. So I choose this one. And after you choose, you can see there's a tick mark over here, the one you choose. And then make sure to insert. Some also cannot see this one. What you need to do is scroll up until the insert button will come out. And then just left click mo lang. go back. Insert another. Can you do it?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Let's all do it together. Insert. Insert. And then remove the tick mark.
Remove first the chip. So if you know the getting more of it.
Imbis kayo, may classmate tayo dito. Here. Oh, now I already have a photo. Now later, I'm going to show you how you're going to put the picture as a background.
Sino mga may idea na dyan? Paano mag-set ng, i-set yung napili ng picture as a background?
Okay, do you want to make it as a background? Do you want to put it as a background? Okay, so just first picture that you want to make a background. Kailangan mo naman ako? Okay, just size it. Let's hear. Mayroon na? Let me know if everyone already have a photo and then I'll teach you how, I will show you how you're going to put the picture as a background. So everyone have photo? First guys, have a picture me. Okay? Choose a color na. Alam mo sa background yung picture nila. Makapusin any color. Pwede sa mga changes na doon natin yung color. Tapos yan na ako yun. Sa click. Left click always lang. I must go to really to apply one search there. Okay. So very good. Very good. Very good. Okay na. Yes. Okay. If you just want to make it bigger, just this one. Very size. Okay. Ready na?
Yeah.
Okay. Everyone again, I want you to watch and listen. Kasi nagtanong ako guys, you're ready? Lahat ba may picture na?
Yes.
Sigurado?
Yes.
Baka may mag-iwan sa inyo ha? Now, I want you to watch and listen again. This photo of mine, I want it to be my background. So, what will I do? Highlight the picture, left click mo yan, and then right click. Look and listen guys. Look and listen. Do not move. See you. My photos. Reach. So guys, I can see you. So yeah, highlight mo siya. I'm going to highlight the photo. And then right click. What did I do? Highlight and then right click.
Time out. Time pa.
Time first.
Time first. Control. Ay. Ano pa? Control C. Pagka ayaw mo yung resulta, Control C. Okay, next. But this time, I want you to put it to the left and then we will put bullets. Ano ang bullet? Do you know what is bullet? Ang sa Tagalog, bala. Ang bullet is dito. I-highlight nyo muna. And then, ito ang bullet. Pili kayo. Marami. Merong bilog. Merong bilog na walang laman. May square. May diamond. May arrow. May check. Pili kayo ng gusto yung bullet. Let's say check. Check. Yan ang bullet. Mawalin. Bullet.
yung araw na yan. Yung check. Check na lang. Oh, ba't ano yung sa'yo? Pwede? Ulit ka. Check na lang kayo. Ano ang information? Sa atin? Malakas na yung bagyo ah.
Okay na? Kasi...
Ang dami niya.
Sorry ah. Hindi kayo nainitan. Magkano malakas? Ay, lakas ng boses mo ni Silva. Try mo lang yung best, bibigyan ka naman sila ng mga photograph.